Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to start a Hyundai Kona with a dead key fob. Place the fob against the start button and press firmly while your foot holds the brake. If that fails, use the mechanical key to unlock the driver door and access the key slot, or follow the emergency start procedure in the owner manual. Stay calm and follow steps methodically to avoid draining the battery further. To begin, remove the mechanical key from the fob by pressing the small release and pulling the key out smoothly. Manually unlock the driver door, sit down, and ensure the car is in park with the brake engaged. Hold the fob directly against the start button and press, just as you would with a working fob. If the engine turns over, keep the car running and replace the fob battery as soon as possible to prevent recurrence. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical car guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is a great companion for roadside waits because it seals well, stays cold, and fits cup holders, making it easy to sip while troubleshooting. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. If holding the fob to the start button does not work, first replace the fob battery with the correct type and try again. Next, check the vehicle battery and start the Kona if necessary, since the car needs sufficient voltage to register the fob signal. If the emergency start procedure fails or the mechanical key is damaged, contact roadside assistance or your dealer for help. Keep a spare fob battery in your glove box to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.